Hello. Today I wanted to explore Google image search. Now, this is a great tool for high school students to find visual content for various projects, presentations, and assignments. So I wanted to go through this step by step and take a look at some of the features that I think are beneficial to students. So if you open your web browser to Google Images, you can either type in the browser images.google.com, or you can come down here where you would be in the search Google. This is Google Images, but it would be the search, and you could type in Google Images, and of course this would come up as well that way. So in here, in the search bar, you're just going to enter the keywords related to the images that you're looking for. I am looking for something that's not really related to work, but I'm going to go with dark ceilings for reception areas. See what I get. I'm going to press the return and see what comes up. Now, if you go here to the tools and you click on tools, you can then use the filters like for size, color, type, time, and usage rates. So now we can also click on an image. That's not what I wanted to do. We're going to click on an image, and over here it'll display it larger on the right, and when you scroll down you'll see other images that are similar to the image that you chose. And if I go in here and I right click on this image, you'll see you can take the image and you can save image as, and then you would save the image in folders for easy access. It'll download to your computer. Next, if we go back and like we did similarly with just the search, if we go back here and you to the Google Images search and you go to settings, we will find in the drop down advanced search. And in advanced search I can put my same search. I can choose the image size. I can choose the ratio. I can choose the color, full color, black and white, transparent. I can also choose the type of file, the region that it's found, site or domain, specific site. Say I wanted to just get my images from, I don't know, thebesthome.com. I could do that and put the URL in here. File type, any format. So I could look for just JPEGs. I could look for just PNG files. We could do raw files, any type of format. And then, of course, the usage rights. And that would be Creative Commons licenses, commercial, and other licenses. And then we click on the advanced search. And these are the things that come up. Now, up here, we can also click on the camera icon. And if we did this, we could actually go and put a picture from our computer, from something that maybe we saw or we took a picture of on vacation, put it here and then search, and it'll find similar images and provide information about your uploaded image. So, in short, this is a really great tool for students to help them out with presentations, research projects, educational materials. They can definitely use Google Image for their various presentations and research and collaborative projects as well. Creative arts. Google Image Search is a valuable resource for high school students, providing a vast array of visuals to complement and enhance their academic work across various subjects. This is definitely a very useful tool, and I hope that you can introduce it to your students and have them go on and explore Google Image Search. Thank you.